Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about Spacy, which is a natural language processing library for Python. Okay, we're gonna talk about the new version. So there's a new version, okay, which is the 2.1. So we're gonna talk about this. So we're gonna check here. You already have a tutorial playlist on Spacy. I probably would do another one, but with more details. So you guys can see here version 2.1.3. Okay, there's very lots of updates I'm going to talk about. So let's click on models here. So you guys can see we have the models. So basically the advantages are, I think the speed was increased. Okay, so the version 2.0 already had a huge improvement. So you guys can see it was 10 times smaller and 20% more accurate. Okay, and more cheaper to run, which means that it was more easy to run. So the big difference here with the version 2.1 is that the models are even smaller. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So here you guys can see some of the benchmarks for this is the 2.0 version, okay, and this is the 2.1. So you guys can see for English, the in-core web small was 35 megabytes, but now it's just 10. Okay, so this is a 3.5 times reduced improvement. Okay, so the model is 3.5 times smaller. So we have the in-core web medium, which was 115, now is 90 megabytes. This one hasn't improved that much, but still some improvement. The same goes for the in-core web large. What it was 812, now is 788. Okay, but there's some huge improvements. So you guys can see. Let me show you guys. Let me see. For Portuguese, the jump was for 36 to 12, an improvement of 3 times. So you guys can see from the multi-language, 3 megabytes. That's a huge improvement. I don't know what's going on here, but it's a huge improvement. Let me see for French, 37 to 14. So you guys can see that this has been a huge improvement, at least 3 times with the small packages, which is huge. You can install this very easily. I think the biggest improvement here is that you don't need to install Visual Studio Boot Tools to run the installer. So actually, if you just run pip install Spacy, it will work just fine. Okay, so this is a huge improvement. I don't have the Microsoft Build Tools installed on this computer, which I previously did a video on how to install Spacy, and you needed that tool to build the package. But now it just works fine. If you guys want to try it out, I recommend you guys try to install Spacy. You need to look for the 2.1 version. If you guys have any trouble with regards to the Visual Studio Boot Tools, I think you guys need to look that up with the new version, because the last version, it was quite difficult to get it running on Windows. Okay, so this was the video, guys. I hope you enjoy, and see you guys next time.